As everyone know that today CBSE has announced the 12th class result, and right now we are standing in RPS corner, and now with me Kashish Gehlot, who is just rocked in commerce result. Kashish Gehlot, how's you feeling? And just tell us about your journey towards this achievement.
First of all, I'd like to say that I am very lucky to have such parents who never gave pressure of boards on me, and I am also very grateful for. I'd like to express my gratitude to all the teachers for their support and guidance. Because of them, I had scored this much, and I'd like to express my gratitude to Principal Sir and Director Sir for as they had given me opportunity, and
What the tips you wish to give to the students who will just appear today, this year 12th commerce examination? Some tips for scoring good marks.
so first of all, NCRT is the main source of NCRT is the main source for preparation, and you have to focus main on the books of NCRT and then the extra notes, and if you are capable, you can also do extra questions after that, and next thing is MCQ is most important, because MCQs always MCQ always
Helpful.
MCQs are always helpful, and yeah, these are the tips. And my overall percentage is 96.6%, and in English, economics and business studies I had scored 96, and in accounts I had scored 98%, 98 marks, and in informatics practices I had scored 97, and I am very happy and very satisfied for this, and I'd like to also thank Rainbow School for giving this opportunity, and yeah,
Thanks.
thank you so much.
Third bucket. Okay? See everyone. You have to take 3 veggies. One is tomato, onion and cucumber. You can take capsicum too. If you want, it is optional. If you want capsicum, you can add. But little bit capsicum. Not in this quantity. This much. Okay? Now you have to add all these veggies in this mixture of Lay's chips. Okay? But before mixing all these things, you have to cut 1 lemon. Half lemon. Squeeze in this mixture. Half lemon. You have to squeeze only half lemon. If you want more salt, you can add.
Firstly, remove the seeds from the lemon.
Okay. Next, pinch of salt. Not more than this. Only pinch of salt. This much. Yes, salt. Okay. You have to mix all the ingredients in this mixture, not in this. Red chili powder. Red chili powder. 1/4. Not half spoon, only 1/4. much? नहीं नहीं.
Because the chips are already spicy now.
Next section. And at last, jaljeera or chaat masala. If you want chaat masala, you can add chaat masala. If you want jaljeera, you can add jaljeera. And if you want both, you can add both. But pinch of jaljeera and pinch of chaat masala.
Do you know what is jaljeera?
Green chutney if you have, then add this. Green chutney. You all know? Mix in this mixture. Sweet, you can add sauce. Everything is ready? Yes. And Lay's chips mixture is also ready. And this veggie mixture is also ready. Now add this mixture into Lay's chips.
No need to talk with us.
Listen. Don't. Mix it well. Yes, ma'am.
जीना जैसे हमारे मोदी जी समाज के लिए जी रहे, समाज के लिए जान लगा रहे, और जिन्होंने हमारी बेटियों के सिंदूर उजाड़े थे, वही कटे पिटे लोगों को हमने उन्हीं की बहन बेच करके उनकी ऐसी की तेजी करवाई। एक बार मोदी जी के लिए जोरदार ताली बजाएं। उनकी ऐसी की तेजी करने हमारे जहाज से उनके घर गए। अब मोदी जी कपड़े तो उतार नहीं सकते थे, इसलिए उनके समाज की बहन को भेजा कि तुमने हमारी बहनों को अगर विधवा किया है तो तुम्हारे समाज की बहन आके तुम्हें नंगा करके छोड़ेगी। देश का सम्मान, मान सम्मान और हमारी बहनों का सुहाग का बदला तुम्हारी जाति की समाज की बहनों को पाकिस्तान भेजकर जगह कोई ले सकता है। और उन्होंने कहा था घर में घुस के मालूम, घर में घुस के जमीन के अंदर गाड़ दूंगा। अगर आपने प्रधानमंत्री का भाषण सुना हो, जमीन के अंदर गाड़ दूंगा। अरे 3-3 मंजिल के नीचे आतंकवादी पाकिस्तान में बैठे थे। बड़े बम से पहले ऊपर का छत उड़ाया, फिर बीच की छत उड़ाई और अंदर जाके उनके परिवार की ऐसी की तैसी कर। ये सिर्फ 56 इंच का सीन वाले।
Hello Mukesh, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So today the results are out of class 12 CBSE board exams, and what is your overall reaction and your percentage? Kindly speak about that.
So when the site came in front of me that the class 12 CBSE results have been declared, I rushed to that site and put my school ID and all my essential credentials, and then I saw my percentage. It was such a phenomenon that I shout at my top of my lungs. It was such a greatness feeling that I felt. My teachers have been supporting to me, especially R sir, Y sir, and all teachers had claimed that yes, Mukesh will be in merit list, and their greatness has transferred into miracle on this earth.
So, what are your overall percentage and your maximum marks are in which subject?
So my overall percentage are 96.4 percentage, and in political science, luckily I got 100 out of 100.
Wow, that is really great. Congratulations to all your mentors. Lots and lots of blessings, and may you achieve more greater heights and zeniths in your future.
Sure, sir. I'll try and endeavor to achieve a great heights in my future, and also I will be thankful, and I will never forget the route from where I came, because the river which forget its source will soon dry up.
Very good, very good.
I
Your
will
thought,
never and ever give up upon my dreams. I
your
will dream
thoughts
big.
are very nice and very holy. May God bless you, dear. And tell us about your future and your future ambition. What would you like to become?
I want to become especially a civil servant. I have been dreaming from my 5th class that I will become a civil servant. And not only my dream to become civil servant, I want to crack this exam in first attempt with Air 1. And you have been a total mentor, Dilip sir, in teaching me, guiding me all the overall, because none of my family members have been in journey of the civil services. But I dream, and I dream big, and I will serve my nation.
Congratulations. May your dreams come true and be fulfilled. God bless you.
Thank you.